So let's discuss those 5 stocks. It's been heavily requested from you guys. So let's get right to it to see where's the bottom. Are we gonna starting to reverse for them so we can actually make some money, or we have to sell if the price go down as well? So we're gonna see all the strategy. A lot of people don't talk about how we predict the bottom because nobody can predict the bottom. However, we can see the sign of weakness before the price is continue to go down. So let's get right to it and starting our video with CEI. Look how crazy it is. We said it, the moment that CEI is still concise in this channel is pretty heavy shorted. And guess what happened here? The price is concise near the ascending line. You see how the price is been testing our ascending line and never breaking it. This is crazy. If we calculate how much for our candle here, 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 10 for our candles below our ascending line, and this gives us confirmation for strength for this ascending line. The moment that we break it, we're gonna see a bullish momentum for CEI. However, the moment that we still concise below it is mean we have a bearish momentum, and the price will continue around this area where we see a double bottom around the 0.45 give or take. So I will be extra careful right now because if we see, as I said, the channel has been tightened. So here is wider than smaller. So we see a lot of price being pushed in this area. So if we hold just the 0.45, we might see a break for the price because we can see this jump. It means the price have a lot of buying pressure near this target area, and the price gotta give right now. So we might, the next time we see the price go around the 0.66, we're gonna see the price jump next time around the 0.95 and the $1 again. If not, we're gonna see the 0.32. The next one we have PTON. This one it jumped pretty nice as we predicted. We said the 28.45. If we hold it, we're gonna see the price going up again here, and the price went as we expected. We have 2 levels of resistance. We broke it, the 32 and the 36, and right now we have a candle closing above the 36. If we go in a big picture for this stock, you can see it has been down since the IPO price around the 4th of November. We have the price around the 61 and the price continue to go down. However, right now we see a big buying pressure and the price started reverse. If we hold above the 40, next time we're gonna see the price test around the 60 would be the turning point again. So I will be extra careful around the 54 here. We're gonna see the price go to all-time high, and we never actually visit this area again. This will be the breaking point for the IPO price, or above it, the 54 and around the 60. However, right now we have to care about what holding above this resistance to confirm that we're gonna see the 50 and the 60. If we just hold above the 36 would be a confirmation for buying pressure happening. And we have Centero Electro Group Limited. It's been asked a lot from you, and as we said, we have a support to be holding, we should hold around the $1.51. We have a bit of spike down. You see here we went until the $1.47. The price went up until $1.63. So this is just a test for lower prices. This means the price might go this time below the $1.50 and visit the $1.10. So just be careful. The next time we drop and close here, will be confirmed around this level below the $1.50, because we already have 2 spike, and this is confirmation for a lot of selling pressure near this resistant area, which is around the $1.73. So be careful for Centero Electrical Group. Is kind of still downtrending, and it's been downtrending since we did the reverse split here around 1 to 15. And again, the next stop we have HUT, and HUT is kind of doing great because we're still holding this gap. And this gap is kind of been held since yesterday, and the price getting near this resistance area. That's why we see a hold up and the price conjunction here. And again, the price is above our exponential average. So right now is the momentum shift from the bearish momentum that been doing since the last November last year. You see the price getting below our exponential average and then downtrending, and right now is the reversal because we hold above our exponential average, and this is will confirm if we just for HUT hold above the $7.51. My target for this one, for the price, if we hold above the $7.51 this time, would be the $9, then the $11.27. Let's check another one, which is ANY. So ANY price went down, and a lot of people talking about some kind of news that we had before, that they actually bought almost 60,000 of the new Bitcoin miner. And a lot of people said maybe it's not like right news or some kind of rumor. That's why the price went down crazy from the $3.32, our resistance, and the price didn't hold. Today around the $2.81. That's why the price gapped. So you see, just from the news, the price went down and didn't hold because the price kind of is still in bearish mode. And you see, we were above the $10 and we visited the $1. So it's been heavily shorted, and a lot of people got cut in the top. That's why we see a heavy shorting. It's not even from the news, the news was a rumor. They didn't bought those like Bitcoin miner. However, the price, if we saw in the big picture, we saw it is down from the 10 to 1, almost 9x down. So that's why I say to my hunters on Patreon, always take your profit on the way, even on our Reddit here. Always take your profit. When I do alert, I always make alert for taking profit, 20%, 10%, get out, then we get in again, we have a confirmation. That's why I said $3.32, take your profit. If we close above it, just add more or open a new trade. Okay, so this is kind of psychological. When you get in a new trade and a new position on new support, what we can do is you get here fresh after you already took your profit from the last gap here. So you already took 37% and you open positioned here. Let's say hypothetically we close above the $3.32 and the price this time went up again. Hallelujah, we get another 30%. However, this time in reality we didn't close up. So we took about like our 37% or almost 40%, and we went out. We don't have to hold to like almost 25% and lose all the gain. So this is my strategy. Always hunt, take a profit, re-enter, and do it again and again in order to always be in the green. And even if you got cut once, you already take your profit and you have less psychological effect by getting out. Because just think about it. The moment that you hold a stock, let's say for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, it's kind of you be attached, emotionally attached to it. It's kind of you get married to it. When you get married to someone, it's really hard to just say, okay, screw it, I'm out of here. It's kind of you're already married. You invested so much time to it, you know, so you feel it's hard to let go or just say, okay, things doesn't work out. It's hard, you see. It's not hard if you rent a car and you just don't like it and you just throw it anywhere, you know, I don't know. So it's really easier. If you bought a car, is more you attached to it because you bought it with your money, invest time with your money to buy the car. It's not as you rent a car. You see, this is kind of the psychology I'm trying to show you, if you hold the stock more than few months, just this is example for not growth stock or the stock that you're not investing in. That's I'm talking about swing trade, or you trade without have a strategy. We don't naming your trade. Is it a long investment or a swing trade or a trade to take a profit like in short term? Just define what strategy you are in, or what's the label for your trade that you did. A lot of new trader, they don't know. They just take a trade. They don't know the profit taken. They don't know if it's investment or a swing trade. This is kind of red like flag when I hear this. It means you don't know what you do. So that's what I try to give you. I'm give you an objective. I'm give you time to get out, time to get in to make profit. That's why we here. We don't just play with money. Money is really important. You invest a lot of time and hard, you work hard for your money. So you don't have to throw it away. You have to invest. You have to think wisely before you invest in any stock. That's why we do on here on our Discord and Patreon. So join us in the link comment section below, and let's change that for this for this year. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative for those 5 stocks. If you have any question, let me know in comment section below, and let's get ready to hunt. See you in the next update.